Pick your hero. Or villain. I'm not judging.
Be wary. No, I feel a familiar chaos in the air.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Magic! So many familiar faces, friends and enemies on both sides of the fray.
These days it's getting mighty hard to tell if we're in for a fight or a feint.
There is no doubt that a battle awaits. Do you think victory is in the cards?
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
My power knows no
Quick
limits.
cue. Does anyone get the feeling that Loki has bigger plans than just ruling Asgard?
The mission area is yours to capture now. Capture the mission area!
His final moment.
I am strengthened for battle.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
I'm here to finish the fight that my father began. I hope I make him proud. Feel that energy, Spider? Time to let it flow!
Fools! Do you truly believe you can stop my
30
grand
seconds
scheme?
before you attack. Get ready.
Ever miss the days when we were just carefree teens, saving the world between classes?
I've been hunting
Asgard has been invaded yet again.
What is all the luxury theme?
No care shall prevail.
Oh, right. I was thinking of Bobby and Hank and Warren. Heck, even Logan was more
The
chill.
battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Help get that vehicle to its destination.
To me, my X-Men. And anyone else who wants to pitch in.
Hostile ahead.
Systems restoring. Mine's in place.
Oh, I'm fine.
You know what to do, spiders?
That should make a difference.
Need assistance. That's some vintage spider style.
Now I'm confident.
This is gonna hurt.
Chin up.
Time for some fireworks.
Get to the World Tree and
Systems restoring.
Keep going.
Mine's in place.
Chin up.
I'm counting on you,
Hostile
friends.
ahead. Almost there. Don't turn back now.
a long way.
We're better when we work together.
You have my gratitude.
Time for some fireworks.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum. I'm impervious
Your
to
goddess is
damage.
suffering.
Get to the World Tree and save the charge.
This is gonna hurt. I'm counting on you, friends.
Who needs healing?
Full potential. Powering up.
Chin up.
Time for some fireworks.
Us against the world.
You know what to do, spiders?
You get a weapon, you get a weapon, you get a weapon.
Keep working hard.
Never miss.
Kinetic kick.
Found my weak spot.
That's 3.
No, that doesn't count.
Get that vehicle moving again. Gentle creatures forced into wind. Take it up.
Got my eye on some of the welcome guests.
You're up, little ones. Time for some fireworks.
The healing arts.
It's spider time! Put it down. You've got my back. I've got yours.
Don't mind me.
Time for some fireworks.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Time for some fireworks.
Your army's been delayed, Namor.
You've got my back. Systems restoring.
Behold the god of thunder!
Mine's in place. Look what just crawled out of the ocean. You're up, little one. Great trap
That
work.
should make a difference.
Time for some fireworks.
Us against the world.
This
This is gonna hurt.
But I suppose we must.
Systems restoring. Get that! Mine's in place.
Never miss.
You know what to do, Spider?
You have my gratitude.
Damn it, never fall.
This is gonna hurt.
You get a web, and you get a web, and you get a web!
Only 60 seconds left.
This is gonna hurt.
Happy to pitch in.
Get that vehicle moving again.
Ready for another go, Spider?
We can't take much more tapping.
Render me assistance.
Back to the ocean with you.
30 seconds.
Systems restoring. Time for some fireworks.
The final 10 seconds.
It's Spider time!
Nowhere yet. Going to overtime.
This is gonna hurt.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Systems restoring. You're up, little one.
Us against the world.
I know that sound. This is gonna hurt. Whoever they are, they don't look
Double
friendly.
KO. That's 3.
Good to keep forging ahead.
Vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
You're up, little ones.
I have many faces. You are restored.
This is gonna hurt.
Not myself.
We're back in action.
That's it. Don't let anything stand in your way.
This is gonna hurt. Whoa, there'll be some angry electrify.
You get a web, and you get a web, and you get a web!
We're better. You know what to do, Spider. Powering up. This is gonna hurt.
The final 10 seconds.
Behold the god of thunder.
The current score is 3, 2, 0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference.
I'm here to finish the fight that my father began. I hope I make him proud.
Round 2.
Feel that energy,
go!
Spider? Time to let it flow!
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
It's good to have you on our side, Spider-Man. You've always been a trusted ally.
We sure do go way back, Psych. Even days when we were just teens who fought crime.
These days were never simple. They were just a different kind of hard.
You're right. At least now
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Time for some
1.
fireworks.
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Powering up. This is gonna hurt.
Render me assistance!
Mine's in place. They can't
A little protection goes a long way.
Gotta stop that vehicle.
Don't count us out yet.
There's still a chance to stop them. Better stop that vehicle.
You're up, little ones.
They hit a checkpoint.
This is gonna
Might be a
hurt.
good time to stop them.
Render me assistance! Namor has a loyal army of his own, it seems.
Fight it, Ty.
We're back in action.
Better stop that vehicle. They've made it half lane. Stop them.
You know what to do, spiders.
I'll never judge you.
Mine's in place. It's spider time! We made quite a team.
Behold the god of thunder!
That was quite a sight, Cyclops.
Bad news. Namor brought friends.
We're better when we work together. Time for some fireworks.
You stop them in their tracks.
Powering up. This is gonna hurt. Oh no! Please don't go down this one. Look, we're just...
You are fortunate that I'm almost here.
Double KO.
Whoever
There's
they
still a
are,
chance to stop
they don't
them.
look friendly.
Co-op time.
Optic Fury!
You have my gratitude. I outnumber you. I am a true team player.
Systems restoring. You've got like mines in place.
Render me assistance!
You're up, little one.
Thanks for the boost.
Time for some fireworks.
Clobbering time!
You got me back. I got yours.
Heroes never fall!
Look, we just put mines in place.
Enemy.
Powering up.
I had more tricks than they had arms.
You stop them in their tracks.
Fury.
Just needed a few
They
repairs.
hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
Co-op time.
Optic Fury!
I outnumber you.
You should have sided with us, Namor.
You're up, little ones.
Put some pep in my step.
It's spider time! Hurry up.
Behold the God of Thunder!
Double KO!
The tide just came in. And me.
Mine's in place. Time for some fireworks.
Better stop that vehicle!
I'm counting on you, friends.
This is suffering.
A little protection goes a long way.
Let's do some damage. Mine's in place.
You, my ally.
It's clobbering time!
This is just one of your tricks, right, Wolverine? Kinetic kick!
Now or never!
Mine's in place.
Stop them!
Whoa, those are some idiots!
When I awaken, enemy!
Double KO!
Monsters of Midgard are mere...
Thanks, Penny.
Don't give them another hit!
It's never grow!
You bring on the chaos!
My favorite ride!
Good medicine. Poor time-lost creature.
Render me assistance.
Down to 30 seconds!
By the hoary hosts of Hulk.
Co-op time.
The final 10 seconds!
By the hoary hosts of Hulk.
Pick your hero. Or villain. I'm not judging.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. Magic and science in perfect unison. This should be interesting.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
How long has T'Challa been playing spaceman out here, Quill?
Long enough to build a pretty powerful intergalactic empire.
I bet he's drawn a lot of attention. The Kree, the Skrulls, the bundle.
Well, it's a good thing he's got...
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
We are a long, long way from home.
Just the idiots out there.
I am wounded. Who will help? Chin up.
I am strengthened for battle. These mechanical arachnids are no more.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Science and magic combined!
The Eye of Agamotto foresaw this.
The mission area is yours.
Not too sick.
Good medicine.
Oh boy. Here they come!
The Vishanti foresaw this.
Double KO. Let's take a step back. So cold. You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Strike at me if you dare. These mechanical arachnids are no more.
By the hoary hosts of Hulk!
Oh boy. Here they come!
I have made the nest disappear.
Fury is almost yours.
I'm counting on you, friend.
Good medicine.
Guardians don't back out.
The hoary hosts of Hulk!
Double KO. No winner yet. Going to overtime. I am ready to put on a show.
Hosts of Hulk!
Magic and science in perfect unison. This should be interesting.
You really should not be in here. A princess deserves her privacy.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
You hit almost as hard as I do, Thing. And I have the Iron Fist.
It ain't about what your fist is made of, kid. It's how you use it.
Right. But a mystical enchantment sure doesn't hurt.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Everything most decidedly does not happen for a reason.
Bless you. Oh, they do not look happy.
Good medicine. By the eye of Agamotto!
Behold that child!
It's spider time! Control lock!
I got hit, like, hard!
The hoary host. The mystic arts won't fail me again.
Get ready. Here come the bad guys.
My judge, jury, executioner!
Dragon unleashed!
By the eye of Agamotto!
This fight was never yours to win.
Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point. Control seized!
By the hoary hosts of hope!
So cold. Double KO!
Miniature metal spiders.
Here come the bad guys. You know what to do, spiders?
I am strengthened for battle. Science and magic combined.
I am ready to put on a show! Keep going!
By the hoary hosts of hope. Ancient One, I hope my successes make you proud.
Bless me, Solo. Tunnel Pandemonium!
The area's almost yours!
Look who just showed up.
Good medicine.
No way.
No winner yet! Going to overtime!
Behold that child!
From the one below all. By the eye of Agamotto!